You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
I am literally in the air right now, rapping up a stewardess. First class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit this retro. Like the infrareds on my feet, baby, let's go. Say that's what they know me by, logic what they call me. Gotta catch a flight, but the fans wanna stall me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MGM, rockin' MCM. Bobby Sacks on my arm, it's only 10 p.m. Got a rat pack with me going ham at the hotel. Name brand every.
So what do you think of the car, Brian?
Bad.
You think it's a bad car?
Worst car I've ever seen. I can't lie, it's pretty good. It's a good car.
It is a good car. I really like the Corolla that we bought here. It's immaculate condition, dude. 107,000 miles, original owner. All maintenance records completed. Owner came down in $1,000. And I think I am quite happy with the purchase. But now I need the timing belt and I gotta get that done at the garage. So this is the Cobb access port. My first time opening up one of these. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, here's the Cobb access port. All right, so okay, so this is the init connector, I'm assuming. Looks like your not stand, but your connects your dashboard with adhesive. Let's take a look at this. All right, this is for your computer. This is what we've been looking for. That's all that matters, folks. That's the horsepower upgrade right there. All right, maps are preloaded. Wow, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought. The access port. I thought it'd be like that big, but free firmware updates. Maps are preloaded. Remove film before use. Oh, hi. Hello. All right. Good morning, Janky drivers. It's a beautiful day. It's Monday, August the 24th. Today's goals. We have several on the list. We're gonna end up giving this car to a friend. Really happy it's gonna be going to the right person. Oh, there's a... Didn't see there was a B there. Well, first we have to get this an oil change, so we have oil change on the list. This car, I need to check to see how much the power steering fluid is leaking, and if we take a look underneath, see if there's any leaks. I don't see too much of a leak actually anywhere at all. This car apparently set for a while, so power steering was leaking, and I'm wondering if any of the O-rings that were dry, probably it re-expanded after driving it. Although I don't want to rely on that too much, on that belief, but I am a little happy to see the power steering didn't leak. Anyway, so oil, power steering, maybe not today. Dent remover kit. There's small dents here and there, about $15 you can get them out. See, there's a dent right here. Need to get some sticky Velcro, and to do more of a cable management for the inside of, I have a cigarette lighter adapter that adapts into multiple outlets, but I need to get a sticky Velcro for that, put in a small hidden location. And then also on the list, the fifth thing is that I need to be able to hide this cable a little better, the Cobb. Ideally I want to run it not underneath the steering, or if I do, I don't want it to be so loose. But yeah, that's the agenda for today. Oil looks good. I should probably do an oil change, but we're towing this car on our way out to Montana, so it's not going to be driven. The only time it's going to be driven is now. Oh yeah, you can see there's another dent right here in the back. Yeah, these little dimple dents, luckily they're really small. There's another one. And they always seem to be on the body line, except for this one. That one is fine. So, yes, I got the Cobb access port installed. I got the stage 1 91 octane loaded up onto this. I ended up going with the Optima battery when I bought this. Because they have really good cold cranking amps in the winter, which you kind of need. Power steering is underneath there. I can't remember if you're supposed to be running the car when you check it or not. But it's not at the optimal line when it's not on, so I'm gotta look that up real quick. Oh, another thing on the agenda is I want to take a look at this in the back. Some of these WRX wings have this problem where the way the bolt sits inside the wing for it to come down into the trunk to tighten. Sometimes they snap off and break, and there is a little bit of flex right there. I want to see if that's been broken. The right side looks fine. Okay, so it's only the back left side right here. Yeah, anyway, stock everything, stock exhaust. Put the Cobb right here. So right now, the cable management I'm talking about that I'm running is, see that right there? Got the car started. Let's take a look at the access port here. Okay, so I got boost set up, the DAM, the AF learning, feedback knock, fine knock learn. Honestly, there's no complaints. The interior is immaculate, and I just want to thank the previous owner for taking such good care of it. Yeah, so these are suction cups. We had a project we were doing to change the windows. Weighed about 450 pounds. Those windows needed to be replaced. I got some suction cups, but those are rated for like really small windows. It's got like a 150 pound rating on it. So I ended up not using them. Can't remember which card we used to buy it. So I'm gonna see if they're gonna take it for store credit, even if we don't have a receipt or nothing. All right, let's see. At some point I need to get a radio because this cassette's not cutting it. Okay. Oh, can't forget, I gotta tighten the e-brake here, and when we get to Montana I gotta do the brake job on this car. So brake job is the first thing we do when we get to Montana. All right, I'll see you guys. Alrighty, perfect. Okay, so we got zip ties. That wasn't on the list, but you can never have too many zip ties in a Subaru. Harbor Freight dent remover, we got that. Hopefully this will get some of those dents out. Oh shoot, sticky Velcro. Oh, for the Corolla. Probably gonna get these later throughout the day because I got other things I have to do. Welcome to another update, Janky drivers. This is the continuation of the video I did not complete because we've been so busy with moving and setting up and working with unpacking, but got a desk made in the process. I just got some 2x4s, glued them up. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. It was a lot better than my last desk. Not completely flat either. That's okay. Got a nice lacquer finish on top. Put about 4 coats on there, so it's nice and smooth to the touch. Got my speakers unpacked. Got some soundproof foam that I've had in storage for about 2 years. Got that set up because the garage, even though this won't help a lot, some of the drywall came off when I was taking the pegboard off of this, so I thought I could get the drywall scoring hidden behind this, so which it does. Today what we're going to be doing is going through and getting rid of the micro dents that are in the Subaru. Oh, would you look at that view? Would you look at that view? Oh, Montana is awesome. We have a garage now. That's just one garage that's made to store like rowboats and stuff. Where oh, look at all the grasshoppers. So this is the garage that we have now. Got 2 other workbenches set up in there. This one kind of was a bust. The stain was way too dark for pine. It just looks artificial. This came out nice. This is my test workbench, and figured out how to use lacquer and everything, so got that set up. Got that pegboard installed. Got 2 vertical pegboards installed right here. There's the roof rack and the infamous Christoph Weber's 944 piston. Oh, it's very nice. Although I don't know where the ring is on this. Christoph, where'd you put the ring? There's an oil ring. Where's the other ring, Christoph? So we got a couple of dents in the Subaru. There's a ton of dings on the door side, which indicates someone from the other side would open the door and ding it up, which isn't terrible. I can live with the dings, but there's another 2 right here, 3 over there, 2 right here, 1 larger ding. Yeah, you can see the ding right there. It's called a crossbar dent repair. Basically, you get some of this glue. Ooh, it's toasty. You place some of the glue on the middle one. Actually, what you want to do is you want to remove it. So you get a piece like this. You put some glue on there, you put it on the dent, let it harden up, and then this center section you just kind of slip on top of there. This won't be on it, this one will. You slip on there, you tighten it up, and it just pulls away from the body. So let's see. Kind of want to start with this one. We'll see how it works. So apparently, stick some of this glue right here. Actually, let's get a wet towel. Some hot glue. Like that. And what you do is you get the dent right there. You place this right on top of the dent. You just can't leave it like that. Okay. So leave this here. You take that other piece, which is on the car. You slip it through here. You tighten it down. Let's see. How long do you wait? Okay, let's see if this works. Ooh, I mean, a little better. I mean, got the larger part. I think it got the larger part out. I gotta try that again. All right, got it reapplied. All right, 4th attempt. We're gonna do this slowly. And I put more of the glue at the center where the dent is rather than the whole surface area. Let's see if that did it. Okay, now to use some of the release agent. Well, I guess some dents you just can't get out. Well, I just got this other side done. There's still a little divot right there, but I think this one came out a lot easier than the other ones. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see a little bit of a dimple. Oh, the dimple's gone. Well, these dents didn't really come out. I ended up giving up. $15. It could work, it couldn't work. Depends on the dent, I guess. So, we have new things going on with the car. No mods. Got a stereo installed. Just have to take these clips out, these screws off. Pop that out, get this installed. Nice little cubby storage, it's pretty deep. Behind that, I have the wires. One coming from the engine bay, and the other's going to the trunk. From the engine bay, you've got your little wire that goes straight into the cabin. I actually found it's really nice. They make this because the past cars I had did not have this. There's a little rubber boot back here I ran across the steering column, which is probably not the best location, but it was either that or it gets in the way of the gas. That power wire comes through this whole center console, and you can't even see it, but it's right here. Power wire goes through here, goes into the back. I never really wired up my subwoofer to where the cables were hidden because I knew at some point I'd be getting a car I really liked that I would do a proper audio install. So there's the wires, your subwoofer, the amp. I faced it that way so that I could at least put storage here because I don't want the speaker. Let's say if there's something back here that's sharp, you wouldn't want your subwoofer speaker to hit that. Wires all kind of tucked away there. Get that duct tape back on there. Yeah. Which then you come back here and you see the subwoofer, which I think is pretty darn cool. Don't really know what else to do with the Janky drivers video other than the update. Winter's coming soon. It's September 8th today, which means about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. Gotta get some winter tires for this. Oh, what else is there? Well, I guess I'm gonna go from specific car VODs to actually doing more daily life things because I don't know, I just figured I have, since this isn't going to be modified too much, there's not going to be that much content. Wow. That's pretty good, huh? Yeah, that's good. No, I didn't cut anything. I just unbolted it.
That's totally unbolted?
Yeah.
It's not that loud.
Okay.